Hello guys, welcome back to another crazy video. This is me, what used to be Channel the Cat, Nicholas. Because I just thought that the channel needed a makeover here. Well, today we're gonna be playing Gary's mod, of course, and we're gonna be playing the Christmas Toy Factory mod. I'm gonna be making a scene where Santa is working and the elves are wrapping gifts. Well, let's do this. Oh! Ta-ta! Oh! Oh. Okay. Just for it to load here. Okay, Lewis started. Oh, there we go. Well, we're in. Look at that. I hope it's not too loud for you guys. I'm gonna just hold it for a bit. Just gonna adjust the audio for a second there. There we go, perfect. Wait. Okay, should got it. Well, hello guys, it's me, Nicholas. Today we're playing GMOD, of course, in Santa's Christmas Toy Factory. And we're gonna be making a scene over here. There we go. There we go. Well, this is gonna be where all the other elves are, and the scene over here was, well, people are gonna be visiting. The Toy Factory is a tour proposed by Santa. Well, we spawn some elves. What's in there? Elves. Elf. What's this? Unserfeldwebel? Where is? What is this? Bone texture? Okay, let's find some civilians. Santa Claus? Santa naughty? Okay. Hey. Santa. There we go, we got Santa Claus' arms. Santa? Santa, okay. Santa? Whoa! What's that? Whoa! Hello? So, how do I increase up? Oh, it's a ragdoll, I forgot. Well, man, Santa is kind of small compared to the, oh, look at this. Yes. Santa is quite small compared to that. He's got to be, like, even bigger than this, you know? Hello! Okay, we just ruined some kid's dream. Yeah, we can't make Santa really big. That's okay though. I don't know where to put Santa anyways. Let's put Santa right over here, I'm assuming. I guess right over here. There we go. Santa right there. Let's actually put him over here. And there we go. Oh, it's fat. Wait. Just in some place. There we go. Okay, now he's overlooking the stage. Build toys in Santa's workshop. Ragdoll movie. I'm gonna pose Santa. Hello, Santa. Upper arm. Okay. Wait. Oh no! There we go. Man, this is so cursed. I didn't know this could be harder than usual. Forearm. Forearm. There we go. This looks natural. I'm not gonna make it clip. There we go. Hand. There we go. And isn't like hot chocolate here? Hot chocolate. There's a mug. That's some coffee cup. Mug. hardly working. Oh, okay. Okay, let's do that. There we go. Forearm. There we go. Tilt. Just gonna make this natural. Spawn cup, side pop. Oh, wait, what? Accidentally froze it. What? Man, this cup is huge. Whoa! Well, I don't want it to clip. Just auto freeze it. I'm gonna weld this so that because when I save it, the freeze property disappears. I'm gonna set it to not collide. I'm not really good at posing fingers. What? Oh. Okay, that looks really natural, I think. Just gonna use some work. Okay, weld to center. Save it. I don't know what that is. Okay, let's see if the save file works. There we go. It's not falling. Okay, there we go. Perfect. Sensors overlooking the view. Oh, public playtime. Am I recording? Okay, so I am. Okay. Let's go over here. Oh, close the door? The door closed. Okay, whatever. It's okay. Okay, what's in here? Ah. So I'm gonna search in the Steam Workshop. Miss Claus. Wait a second. Mrs. Claus. Mrs. Claus. Mrs. Claus. There's no Mrs. Claus. There's a killing floor, Mrs. Claus ragdoll. It looks very unsettling. Anyways, let's get back to work. I don't know who should work here. Let's find him. Okay. These are unfinished. Good. I'm gonna spawn some elves. What? Civilian. Wow, that's a lot. There are elves. What? More civilians? What? It's a lot. I don't don't think I subscribed to the mod. Maybe there's nothing here. There's Santa Claus though. Yeah, there's nothing here. What are these? I don't remember adding these. There's nothing. Yup. Okay. Oh. I'm just gonna subscribe to those later. Merry Christmas, guys, from Santa. There you go. I'm gonna make a new scene for a second. Infinite Desert. We're in. FPS booster. Okay, this is an infinite map script. So if that right there is the map border, and it's just like a skybox. If I go, there I go. It teleports me back to my original position. It teleports me back to the start of the map, which gives an illusion of an infinite map. It's really cool. I'm gonna make a gas station. I don't know how to make a gas station though. I'm just gonna make like a scene where a bunch of Half-Life 2 people, a bunch of Half-Life 2 survivors. I go on a road trip. I have TF2, but I didn't install it because I'm gonna be buying MSFS 2020 soon. But that's it. Let's make the scene out of here. Vehicles. Oh. Where's the oh wait, it's over here. What are these? Are these drivable anyways? It's a whole ship. Oh. What was that? Oh. What? It sunk through the ground. Free. What? What? What is this? It despawn. Oh, okay. Wait. Oh. What is this? Okay. It's over here. There we go. What? What? Whoa, 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 whoa! It's over there. What? What? How do I get over here? What? What? Oh, what? 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 Okay. Okay. What is this map based on? Is this based on Arizona? I'm assuming it is. There it is. Oh. Oh, this is an abandoned car. Oh. Ta. Oh. Yes. Not what I was expecting there. Man, there's like a limited amount of cars. Chair? I think those are cars and spawners for us abandoned. There we go. I'm gonna put the G-Man. Hold on a second. The G-Man. Where's the G-Man? G-Man. G-Man. Oh. This guy looks depressed. What's G-Man based off of? There we go. Stand pose. Over here. Okay. What I was expecting. Oh! No collide. Oh, come on. There we go. Stand pose. Is it colliding? Are these like, am I just connected to individual parts or something? I don't know. Okay. Stand pose. Stand pose. Oh no. I'm in a crawling position. We're on the fuel hatch. There we go. Well, I can still adjust this position by into the pelvis. Let's move him around. There we go. There we go. And adjust this part for a second. Wait. What? Thigh. There we go. Oh. I want him to be in like a sitting position. Sitting position. There we go. Should be right. Come on. What? Wait. What? Oh wait a second guys. There we go, find the pelvis. Okay. Let's move him down. There we go. I'm gonna make the G-Man in a sitting position, where his legs are on whatever this thing is, like a tank or something. Okay. Place his foot on the tank. Yeah, whatever. Let's get back to work. Can I adjust this calf? Go. Where's the foot bone? Where's the foot bone? What? Whatever. Well, guys, guys, this was the end. This is the end of the video. A very boring video, huh? Because I don't know why it's very boring. But in the next video, I'm gonna be continuing this crazy scene with G-Man. But first I'm gonna update his face. Fortunately I'm clicking and it won't update it, but okay, well guys, thank you for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed it, and I see you all next time. Goodbye, and this briefcase is going through the thing. Bye guys. Not a